Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is iPhone 16 Plus, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check Wi-Fi password on this device. Alright, so to check Wi-Fi password all we have to do is just open our settings, and now here we have to open our Wi-Fi option. Here we have to click on this icon on our network and click on our password. Now here we have to verify that's us by typing our passcode, and here is password of our Wi-Fi. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.